Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 10th of February 2023. Lending standards for U.S. commercial and industrial loans tightened further in Q4 2022, according to the January 2023 Senior Loan Officer Opinion Survey. This is the most since the COVID lockdown crash and the 2008 global financial crisis. The Big Four banks, J.P. Morgan, Wells Fargo, Citi and the Bank of America, have all tightened lending standards for commercial mortgage and credit card loans. Whilst on the household side, banks reported weaker demand on balance for credit card, auto, and residential real estate loans, as well as home equity lines of credit. These are ominous signs that credit availability for the U.S. economy is shrinking and that deflation is just around the corner. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices, which were lower in the main, as were cryptocurrencies, whilst sovereign bond yields were higher across the board, whilst the commodities covered were mixed. Meanwhile, the regional coverage shows the huge turnaround between U.S. personal savings and credit card use, plus further evidence that the UK consumption-led economy isn't likely to grow. Whilst out east, China empty housing stock. President Biden said in his State of the Union speech that he had cut the deficit by $1.7 trillion. But that's if you cherry-pick the data to produce the desired media spin. Yes, the US budget deficit fell once the COVID-related emergency spending was finished, but it's been rapidly rising ever since, as demonstrated within recent investment market overviews. As Mishtalk confirms within the final chart of the week, the interest on the accumulated federal debt is compounding the problem, jumping from $592 billion to $853 billion per annum, a 44% jump in 2 short years. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview published at least 40 times per year. Just follow the link provided to test drive the full weekly overviews. You may also wish to check out our latest investment timing solutions.